Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today we're going to talk about a comment that we got on one of our YouTube videos. It was an overview of the Aprilaire E130 video that Brian Camfield and I did. And what they want to know is, what exactly is a whole home dehumidifier? What does it do? When does it run? I thought I'd explain a little bit more about that. I don't think we've covered this topic before. Stay tuned. So here's the comment from one of our viewers. Does a whole house dehumidifier run at the same time as the air conditioner? Does it dehumidify the conditioned air? And also, how low can it realistically lower the humidity in my house? So those are all great questions. Let's address the first one. Does the whole house dehumidifier run at the same time as the conditioned or the air conditioner? And the answer is no. It will run whenever you set the thermostat. Let's say you set it at 50. Whether the AC or the heat is running or not, the dehumidifier kicks on whenever it realizes that the humidity has gone above your setting. That's the beauty of the whole home dehumidifier, is that it does not require the AC to run. It runs independently of the AC. It's not concerned about temperature per se, but it does do the dew point. So it uses temperature, uses relative humidity to decide when it needs to run, and then it starts to lower the humidity that way. So if you've got a house like a basement, for example, the temperature in the basement may be fine because it's well insulated, it's below ground and all that. So the AC may not even kick on at all for long periods of time, but that doesn't mean the humidity isn't rising. So the dehumidifier works independently of that. So does it dehumidify the conditioned air? Absolutely. What it's doing is it's dehumidifying the air that is fed to and from your HVAC system. Okay, so that being said, if your AC is in a closet or out in a garage or even up in the attic, you can install the dehumidifier in those unconditioned spaces and then duct it into the ductwork of the AC so that it's only dehumidifying the conditioned space, as long as it's, taped well and sealed well and all that. So it's only addressing the humidity in the conditioned space. So how low can the dehumidifier get the humidity? It can get it to whatever you set it at. Now, you don't want to set it at 30% because, as we've done videos in the past about viruses and different things can grow when the humidity is too low, as well as humidity being too high. We recommend the range to be between 45 and 55%, and your whole house dehumidifier, if it's properly sized, should have no problem with addressing the humidity. So if you've got a really large house that you're trying to cover, you want to go with the E130. If you've got a smaller home, you want to go with the E70, and just make sure it's properly sized. And our DIY store has the recommended square footage, and we've done a lot of videos. I'll try to put all those videos that we've done with Brian about the different E100 series Aprilaire dehumidifiers. I'll put a link to those down below so y'all can watch them. And we've even done an overview of them. I'll put that one down below too, so maybe that's a little easier for you to figure out which dehumidifier is best for you. But hope that helps you answer that question. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.